Students, in this video, I am going to explain how to solve numericals based on gas laws. Here you can see one numerical is there. With the help of this numerical, you will be able to know the method of solving such type of numericals. So watch this video completely. Numerical is here. A fixed volume of gas occupies 760 centimeter cube volume at 27 degrees Celsius temperature and 70 centimeter of Hg is a pressure. It means three terms are given here. What will be its volume at STP? The required volume. So first step should be the given values. We have to write all the given values first and the value which is required also. Let's see. Here we can write the volume V1 equal to 760 centimeter cube. Temperature is given here T1, that is equal to 27 degrees Celsius, and pressure P1 is equal to 70 centimeter of Hg. Now we require here volume. It means take this volume which is unknown, V2 is required here, and STP. I will also explain what is the meaning of STP. Here STP is used for standard. S stands for standard, T stands for temperature, P stands for pressure. It means when we take the fixed value for temperature and pressure, then that is known as STP. It is also known as NTP. NTP. N stands for normal, T stands for temperature, and P stands for pressure. These terms have fixed values. Here temperature is taken 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius up to 10th class, because standard means any fixed value. So up to 10th, generally in books the temperature is taken 0 degrees Celsius, and which will be equal to 273 Kelvin if it is taken in Kelvin scale. And pressure is taken as 1 atmosphere, or that will be equal to 760 mmHg, and that will be also equal to 76 centimeter of Hg. I hope you understand the meaning of this term STP or NTP. Now, with the help of this word, two quantities, values for two quantities are given in this numerical. So we can put here P2. Here pressure is given in centimeter. Therefore, we have to use this value for pressure, because there should be same type of units for same quantity in any numerical. Otherwise, we will not get correct answer. So pressure is given here P2, that is 76 centimeter Hg. Now see the temperature T2 is given here. We can take here 0 degrees Celsius, but to solve such numericals 0 value is not suitable, so in a Kelvin we have to take 273 Kelvin. Now out of 6 values, there are 6 values, involvement of 6 values. Out of 6 values, 5 values are known and 1 value is unknown. And there are different type of equations, laws or formulas given in the study of gas laws concept. Here 6 terms are involved. It means we required gas equation to find out the volume V2 for this numerical. So I am writing gas equation. I hope you are knowing that equation. We know that gas equation is P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. Here V2 is required. So keep this term towards left side and rearrange these terms. Means carry this T to this side and carry or bring this P2 to this side. We will get here P1 V1 and T2 upon next term will be P2 and T1. Now 5 values are known. So put the values which is given here in this numerical. P1 is 70 and V1 is 760 and T2 is given here 273. I hope you are getting. Now P2 is 76 and so convert this temperature that is given in degree Celsius to convert temperature of degree Celsius into Kelvin. We need to add 273. It means important formula is there. I hope you know this formula, that is Kelvin is equal to degree temperature plus 273. Therefore, we can find temperature T1 in Kelvin by adding 273. We will get here 300 Kelvin. Now put this value here, 300. Now divide this value, cancel 0 by 0 and 76 by 76, and we will get here, that is 7 into 273 upon 3. And you will get here, when you divide it, you will get here, that is, multiply first it and divide by it, you will get here something about 637 centimeter cube. Now students, here I am taking second example. Through this example, you will be able to solve the numericals based on Charles' law. See, calculate the temperature T at which a gas A at 20 degree having a volume of 500 centimeter cube will occupy a volume of 250 centimeter cube. It means here volume is given for this temperature. Let temperature is this taken as T1 be required, and at this temperature volume V1 is given, that is 250 cc, centimeter cube means centimeter cm cube, and other temperature T2 is 20 degrees Celsius. We can convert this temperature in Kelvin. It means 20 degree plus 273. Here we will get 293 Kelvin. Now volume V2 for this is given, that is 500 cc. We know that these four terms are given by one equation that is known as Charles' law equation. We know that V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2 according to Charles' law. This is a Charles' law equation. So out of these four values, three values we know, only one is unknown. Let's rearrange these terms to find out temperature T1. It means we will get here, bring this term towards this side, and after that bring these terms towards other side. We will get V2 V1 upon T1 V2. Once again see, bring this term towards this side and these two terms should be carried towards left side. Then we will get V1 into T2 and below we will get V2. Now put the values which is given here. T2 is 293 and volume for V1 is 250 upon V2 is 500. Now divide it, we will get here means 293 divided by 2 means we will get temperature that is equal to 146.5 Kelvin is the answer for this numerical. I hope you understand this second type of numerical also based on Charles' law. In first numerical we have seen that in gas laws through the gas equation we can find out any numerical we can solve. If 6 terms are given, 3 terms means temperature, pressure and volume, and other 3 conditions for the different state that is also given, we have to use gas equation. And if pressure is constant and temperature and volume is given, in that case we have to use Charles' law equation. And out of 3 values means out of 4 values, if 3 values are given, 4th one can be find out in the same way. Students, now see this numerical also. Here what volume means volume is required. Let this volume is V1. What volume will a gas occupy at this pressure 740 mm means at this V1 pressure P1 is equal to 740 mm of Hg. Okay, now which once again see what volume will a gas occupy at 740 mm pressure, which at pressure P2 is given here 1480 mm Hg means P2 is given, and at this pressure volume is 500. V2 is given here 500 cc centimeter cube at constant temperature. It means whenever temperature is constant, it means that gas will be at can be solved, means the problem related to that gas which is stored in any container at a constant temperature by Boyle's law, equation. So 4 terms are here. Out of these 4 terms, 3 values are known, 4th one is unknown, and that is this gas. These gases are under different conditions at constant temperature, but at constant temperature it means we need here equation through which we can solve this numerical, that is P1 V1 is equal to P2 and V2. This equation is known as Boyle's law equation. So we required V1, so rearrange this equation to solve V1. Therefore V1 will be equal to P2 V2 upon P1. Now put the values which is given here for the right side terms. Pressure P2 is given, that is 1480. Volume V2 is given here, that is 500. And see P1 is given, that is 740. Now divide it, cancel 0 by 0, and here we can simplify it. If we do not cancel 0, then we can see this term can be divide this term by 2, means 740 will divide 1480 by 2. It means remaining terms will be 2 into 500 means 1000, and here volume is in centimeter cube, therefore this V1 will be also in cc. I hope you understand that this numerical is based on Boyle's law equation. With the help of these 3 examples which I have covered in these videos, this video, that is gas equation, second one was Charles law equation, and third you can see here that is based on Boyle's law equation. In the same way we can solve more number of numericals if you do the practice in the same way as I have explained in 3 numericals in this video. Thanks for watching this video completely.